Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial of our video relationship platform. In the next couple of minutes, we run through the main features so you will be able to start your first video campaign instantly. Please note, your dashboard might look a little different depending on the permissions and branding, but the main functionality we will be covering is basically the same. Before we start, it is important to understand the general setup of our system. With our three-level hierarchy with the company at the top, the campaign templates in the middle, and the landing pages at the bottom, you can ensure a consistent look. Also, you save time when you scale your campaigns over several touch points. Let's go through the sections one by one. In case you manage more than one company in your account, simply select the company you want to edit. Here, you can set all basic information about your organization, like logo, default navigation, and the internal branding of your dashboard. Important, here you can also configure your custom domain to run your campaigns on your own domain. This is recommended since this creates even more trust with your audience, but you can switch your company to a custom domain anytime later. In the campaign section, you create campaign templates with settings and default content that are passed on to all landing pages based on this template. This makes scaling much easier since you do not have to create every landing page from scratch, and you ensure a consistent design of all landing pages. One important thing, in the campaign template, you also set the default video for all landing pages of this campaign. Through this, you can provide the same video story across all your landing pages. This is the default setting, and you will explore more video options during your ride. In the page design section, you can define the colors for your landing pages. In contrast to other settings, the colors cannot be changed on landing page level. Check the little info icons to see how each setting affects your landing pages created from this campaign template. You can define 3 default buttons and their positions for your landing pages. Of course, these can be personalized for each landing page later. As button targets, you can integrate any response channel or target that is available through a URL, be it a simple contact form, a CRM, another video, a download link, a website, a document, a map, or whatever you like. Through this simple integration, we ensure all entered user data is protected and processed in your system. We do not store any of your users' data. Use the WhatsApp button to integrate your WhatsApp business account for instant communication by phone or for chatting with your audience. When users click on this button, they will be forwarded to WhatsApp after receiving the necessary GDPR information. On the Page Default Content tab, you add text for your landing page and upload an image. As the label states, this is default content that can be edited for each landing page to personalize the experience for each touchpoint or company representative. When you are all set, you can create your first landing page from this campaign template. As you can see, almost all settings and content are passed on from the campaign template to your landing page. Now, you simply personalize the default content, change button settings, and define the URL for your landing page by adding a so-called slug. Our default, or your custom domain, in case it is configured yet, plus the slug define the final landing page URL. For convenience, you can create a video QR code with your landing page URL for printing after saving the page. Finally, do not forget to publish your video landing page. Thanks for watching, and get in touch in case you need further assistance.